at a beach in Oluwalu. One thing, there's a lot of keawe. If you don't know what keawe is, these thorns go through your foot and then you go to the hospital. So we're gonna clean up our little space. As you can see, Tiki always tries to steal my map, so I got him his own. Tiki! Eli! Tiki, you wanna go for a walk? It's a beautiful world we live in. Tonight we're gonna have spinach, broccoli, peppers. I'm gonna cut up some chicken, just gonna mix it all up. It's gonna be good. There you have it, folks. Alright, we're out here looking for whales. A few of my buddies have posted pictures, so I know that they're back. quick. I still don't have one. All right, to Target we go. Got a tripod and a GoPro. That ought to step shit up, huh? So if you guys didn't watch my last video, I rented this spot for the next 2 months as we build out the rest of my van. And tomorrow we're really getting started with the framing of the walls. That means tonight everything's coming out and we're gonna do some rust prevention that dries overnight. Cheers. Okay, so we're almost done. I got this rust preventative primer. We're gonna put on the metal, all the little scratched up spots, and pretty much the whole roof, so we can fight condensation and not have to deal with it later. Alright, well we just completely blasted the van with this primer. I'm gonna let this sit overnight. We're gonna go ahead and end this episode here. Again, please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. We'll see you again real soon. This next episode, we're gonna be putting up some walls and having a lot of fun. So, thanks for hanging out, guys. Aloha.